Hello guys, welcome back to our new video, and in this video we are going to cover another interesting topic of Go High Level, which is named as trigger links. Yes, the name is quite fuzzy but the concept is very good and it is very useful inside email campaigns. Okay, so what are actually trigger links works? Basically, if you want to track your emails, if you want to insert a new lead inside the Go High Level, if you want to follow up if you want to send a follow-up messages, or if you want to means track of any kind of system, you need trigger links. Yes, and GHL provides you this service. Let us move towards the GHL screen and let me show you how trigger links works. Okay, so now you can see that we are inside Go High Level, and on the left side when you click on marketing and then you will click on trigger links, then this page will get appear and it will get open to you. So now you can see there are a lot of links and URLs are here, but don't worry about it. Let me tell you what are they. Basically, let me show you a new website here, that is Auxth digital media. And okay, so here it is, and I will simply copy its link address, and I will simply paste it here wherever I want. Like one of them is here, is already pasted. So what happens is that I will simply copy the link key. This one is the key. I will simply add, okay, let me add a new one for you. It's like test link, and I will simply paste the link that I copied from the website. So this is the link actually, and I will hit save, and then it will appear like this. Okay, so after that I will simply use this link key, and paste it inside the emails, on the websites, on the ads, on the campaign, anywhere. And if somebody click this link, it will automatically get added or highlighted inside Go High Level. It can start, if I am the person or if I am the customer and I hit this link, it will start a campaign on me. It will update my opportunity or the stage inside the opportunity, and maybe it will start a campaign as well. It will send an emails. Means if we want to track our customers, if we want to track our emails, we need trigger links. Yes, for example, there is an email campaign that you are sending to the customers and it contains links. Okay, instead of pasting simple links, what if you use these trigger links? First of all, you will add that link here, and then you will copy this and paste it inside the email templates. After that, whoever opens that email and click on this link, it will get trigger your opportunity, and you will be notified that someone has triggered or clicked on your link. Basically, this is the purpose of the trigger links. And furthermore, when we will move to the practicing channel or the practicing type, then we will properly implement this, and you will look there that how physically or practically the trigger links work. Thank you. This is all for today. Bye bye.